Our company's name is Disaster Recovery G8, and we assist companies in data loss prevention. My name is Jay Doctor.
I'm Subodh Karki.
I'm Steven Prisborowski.
And I'm Keith Trice.
A major problem with security is the ability to recover lost or compromised information. Having quality security is pointless if you have no data to protect. Losing any if all of your information can be detrimental to your business. However, how reliant is this backup technology? How soon will your business be up and running after a loss? You also have to consider how your data is being stored. Is it kept on a separate server or is it being stored in the cloud? Whether natural or human-caused disasters, our organization's plan will address the preparation and recovery from a disaster and provide a backup plan. Our organization, Disaster Recovery G8, has provided technology that has a number of uses. However, the primary use is to store data. By using this technology, you will be able to access your data from any location. Having our cloud software allows you to run your business with confidence. The need for an experienced user is crucial to properly have the data updated daily and to provide a decision-making process for the recovery of data. At its current level, cloud software is relying on the local network connectivity and the provider's own security standards. Companies do not want to just have a drive come back after a disaster. They want the whole system and data up and running again. The only limitation we'll be facing will be our backup systems running sufficiently on Windows operating systems, but not currently on Mac operating systems. Some of the pros of our technology is its ease of use, that it is the least complex and fully manageable data recovery. Easy implementation and highly flexible solutions can be added to existing recovery plans, and that it is extremely reliable and secure. The cons will include high cost, the need for highly experienced workforce, and since it's new, the technology would appear not as safe.
We will have organized a wide security disaster recovery management policy, which defines the purpose, scope, ethics, responsibility, and application, which is dedicated to safeguard the integrity, confidentiality, availability, and data backup of all information assets of the organization. Our team is committed to system updates, protecting the CIA of all information assets of the organization, and backing overall business continuity. The organization shall develop a comprehensive IT disaster-based plan and keep itself updated. Under CIA analysis, we will have things like strong backup plan, password requirement, controlling access of the data, must cover all the vital and critical elements, different backup and password on different system, and password sharing is strongly prohibited. And upkeeping accuracy of the data, keeping up with antivirus, malware, control authorization of much as possible, and maintain valid, uncorrupted, and accurate information. And keeping hardware backup and data and email are extremely important. Our goal is to ensure the data, regardless of its significance, is updated daily and secured through our strict CIA-driven guidelines. Our major objective would be like backup data daily, reduce managerial stress, reduce disaster-related cost, actively provide feedback on data. And on this scope, the policy applies to all the staff member and everyone involved in data backup. CIA are implemented by users, administration, human resource, and senior management. Agreement with policy and related policy will be enforced accordingly to organization, plan, conduct, policy, and procedures. And everyone in the organization is required to be trained and awareness of information security and importance of data backup. Not every member needs formal degree or certificate, but his knowledge is very important. The policies and training will be made available to all the staff, new member, and increasing staff awareness through education and training.
When choosing to use cloud services for your business, it is important to recall that your assets may still be at risk to loss. The DRGA plan is designed to support a business's existing continuality plan and allow the business to recuperate any losses in the event of a disaster. The DRGA plan accounts for the most commonly seen data threats a business is bound to deal with during the course of everyday operations. These threats include data breaches, inadequate procedures, disgruntled employees, natural disasters, and system outages. A data breach occurs when an organization's sensitive information is leaked to the public. Inadequate procedures occur when an organization's staff or employees are not properly trained or may not fully grasp the responsibilities needed for a cloud system. A system outage is one of the biggest risks when moving data and assets to the cloud. A hypervisor is an abstract layer that sits between the hardware and the VM that form the cloud. Any attack that will compromise the hypervisor will bring the whole cloud down. If multiple VMs are sharing one node, the quality of the VMs could degrade. A resource freeing attack is one where the one cloud user intentionally frees up IT resources for their own use. Confidentiality is intended not only to protect the client's data from public view, but also to protect it from cloud server providers. As manipulation of cloud encryption can be dangerous, attack on confidentiality can range from social engineering attacks to previously mentioned DOS attacks.
Data loss prevention should be an important part of any organization. One example of a system that can be easily implemented is an email checker. It checks every email and determines if confidential information is included in that email. If confidential data is found, then the user will get a notification asking if they are sure if they want to send the email. This can greatly improve data loss prevention. With BYOD becoming more popular nowadays, all devices need to be secured before they are allowed to be on the network. Besides data encryption and antivirus tools, these devices should also have remote activated security features such as remote data wiping in case the device falls into the wrong hands. To determine which risk control to use, we can use cost-benefit analysis. This is a very useful visual that shows how changes in an organization can hurt or improve it. By determining CBA, an organization can save money and run more efficiently. Data loss prevention is typically the best control strategy to use because it tends to provide a better CBA value when compared to the other options. There needs to be a tentative plan for the organization to follow. This allows for flexibility just in case something does not go right, while also providing an outline at the same time. Having a tentative plan really helps in disaster recovery. First, the organization should determine what they have and why it needs to be protected. The final step is that the people of the organization need to determine what exactly needs securing, how they should control it, and why it actually needs to be secured. In conclusion, Disaster Recovery G8 is designed to meet the needs of disaster relief for its customers while also providing subsequent security for everyone in the organization. With data being so important nowadays, Disaster Recovery G8 was formed with that in mind. Disaster Recovery G8 will help protect and maintain crucial data while ensuring that data is not lost.
And that was our company's presentation. Thank you for watching.